Chatterbait time.
Either really shallow.
That's another thing with the swim bait.
Yeah.
It's better for grassy locations.
There's one. First cast. That's a good one. Oh, he pulled drag.
That's a
Nice one for the first fish.
First 10 minutes.
Easy, leave it. Oh!
Glad we have the new net.
All right. Let's talk this up.
That thing's a chunk, Dad.
Get it in there.
That's
First
huge.
cast with the chatterbait. Let me make sure we're recording.
That's a cool fish too.
I'm recording.
Huge belly.
All right. We're on Lake Meade. We came out here. First cast with a chatterbait. It was it's about 2.5, 3 pounds, I think. Think it's bigger than that?
I think it's bigger than that.
Came out here. It's going to be super windy. We'll be fighting the wind today. Easy, easy, baby. Are you in there? I don't think you're in there. No, you're in there.
That's nuts.
What do you think she is?
211.
3-4.
3-4.
A bit
Nice
chunkier.
fish, Dad.
Nice fish. Look at the colors on that thing. Yeah, I'll make sure I can see.
Green fish.
Yeah, very green fish. What do you think, boys?
Nice fish. First
So
cast
far,
with the
pretty good.
chatterbait.
Awesome. All right, 3-4 you said? Awesome. Thank you, baby girl. Go ahead and jump. Nope, see you later.
Oh, there's one.
Come on, buddy.
He's just running with it off to the side. Got him.
Come on, buddy.
Came
On the
back
strobe?
for it, on the strobe.
All right, that little strobe, that little spinner, man.
Ow.
Little beautiful sunfish.
Got good. He almost hit me with my own hook.
Crazy when they get all 3 of them in, 2 in the bottom and 1 in the top. Or it's like you weren't getting off. There you got it, almost got it.
That one maneuvered all over the place.
There you go.
Just
Can
to
you-
get him on hook.
There you go.
Right at the tip of the hole.
Got him. Nah. He stays on. It's a decent fish.
Yeah.
All right, on the chatterbait after I lost my tail. All right. Recording, yep. Is he 12 inches, y'all? I think he's 12.
Yeah.
You got the golden ruler? I'd like to get a quick measurement on him. Can you get that for me real quick, Taylor? I got to back this up out of this tree.
Oh, look at him falling.
I'm in the mud. I can't move. Oh, I just want to get a quick measurement on him. He is 13 inches. There you go. All right, my friend, I appreciate you. See you, buddy.
Oh, there's
Come on, Caleb. Oh, what? A yellow perch. Different species. I just let mine go. Got back here to one of our favorite little spots. Yep.
beautiful color.
Yep. Oh, he was gone. We're doing good, man. It's windy out here. I caught a 3-4 and I caught a little 13-inch bass. He's caught a bluegill and a yellow perch. Yes, sir? No problem. I'm gonna turn off my camera. Thumbs up and say everything's good. Everything's good. All right, guys. We'll see y'all. Gonna be gone. Oh, there's one. I don't know if it's the best. I gotta tighten my drag up some. Don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off.
Oh, it's bigger than I thought.
All right, yeah. He was pulling drag, and that's a decent fish. Fishing with Boogie. This is my Razorback 30-year-old lure. He painted the blue on top, a little red underneath. Lake Meade. Another good fish. Hold it up in the sunshine. Another pretty fish. Thank you, Boogie. Tony, that's you, buddy. See you, buddy. Awesome. Come on, buddy. On that little spoon. Good old spoon. Yep. Okay.
Oh, do you see him? He's on there. He's on there.
Well, get him.
I just saw a big bass. Just take it.
Do you have him?
Yeah, he's got him.
All right.
Oh, no, it looks huge.
Why do we keep going?
I just look at Benjamin's lure and I see.
Benjamin's got one.
Down.
He finally had to switch to
Holy
the,
crap. I was just watching the lure.
what do you call that?
That was cool.
Wacky rig.
Wacky rig.
On the June bug trick worm. It's kind of a June bug. It's got more of a blue, electric blue. All right. So what is he, about 10 inches? All right. Good deal. Hold him out and show him off.
Look, huge.
There you go. All right.
Got him.
It was a big fish.
What do you got, Kayla?
Something big.
He's running.
That's
That's
nice
a good bluegill. Bring him in. Where's my lure? I'm still in the water. All right. That's a pretty one. You got to show him off.
Yeah.
Came back in this one cove and put 3 fish in a boat just like that. Push it out. There you go. You're not pushing. You're just wiggling. You had it out and shoved it back in. Yeah. All right. Good deal. Wow. Sorry. Oh, he's going. He's a little dude. But he's on that Razorback.
It's tiny. What
Smallest.
was that? 5, 6 inches?
He's a little bit bigger than that. He's 8. On that Razorback.
Yep.
Little dude. Thank you, sir. He's like, look, he's. Yeah, you got him.
That's a beautiful belly.
Bet you'll change colors.
Probably. Oh, he's changing already.
Yes.
Yeah, probably some different ones.
Wind channels. I hold them sideways so I can get a peek see at them. All right. Here, dude.
See if you can see his green legs sticking out.
Hmm.
Man, we're gonna have big draw if this don't come out.
Okay, they don't like giving that hook up.
Got a big bug. There we go.
I wasn't even recording. I am. Pick up and dropped them. Get my lure in real quick. I had something hitting me.
Wash them off first. And drop them.
Okay. That's your second one, right, Benjamin?
Yes,
There you go. On that wacky worm. All right. He got it. He came back for it.
Dad got one.
To the pickle.
finally got a pickle. Watch.
I got you.
He hit it, and he missed. Then he missed it, and he came back and got it.
Let me help you out.
I got it.
Got one.
Come on, buddy.
Got one.
We doubled up.
You using that?
All right. I got a
Give
pickerel.
me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
I'm recording, buddy. This dude has got jacked up. I'm gonna need some pliers back here, Caleb. Thank you, sir. I don't know how this guy's hooked. It's rotated in his bottom. No, it's actually not in his bottom of it, but it's. You got yours out, Benjamin?
Yeah.
Look how this he's got it through his lip.
How do you manage?
I don't have a clue. Alright, show me yours. Alright, go ahead and chuck yours in. I'm gonna try to get this dude out.
Ooh, he dropped him in a certain way. He said, you know what, I want to do that again. Did a ballerina.
There we go. I got him loose. Only pickerel of the day so far.
Yep.
See you, buddy. Alright, let's catch some fish.
Oh, there's one.
Okay, we got two. That's bad.
That's a bass.
Oh,
Or is that a big bass?
nice bass.
It's a long bass. Ooh.
Is that on that gold spoon?
Come up here.
Awesome.
Oh,
Pick
that's
up.
right off.
Every other fish you gotta fight to get the hook out. Benjamin's slinging lures everywhere. Mm-hmm. Alright, grab them already. There you go. And clean them off because the bottom of the boat's that dirty. Turn them this way. There you go. He's showing somebody on the bank. Look at my fish, y'all. See ya. Come on, dude. Benjamin got a bass on that wacky rig.
He yeeted my thing. Unfortunately, it wasn't.
Pick up.
3 seconds. I got him.
You need to
Too.
make a blue flavor sweet one.
I got him.
No, you don't. He's got him.
Why?
Now you got him. Look at that little fat, chubby
I
thing.
was thinking.
He's on a diet.
He needs to get on the diet.
He's got a big old mouth.
Sir?
He's got a big old mouth for
Yeah.
a little fish like that.
Slammed it. What kind of fish is this? It doesn't even feel like he has scales. What is that? Not a warmouth, is it?
No. And he's gone. Yep.
Double up. Who do I go for?
Him.
Yeah, I got one on there.
Mine's in the boat.
Nice.
Benjamin's in the boat.
Huge.
How about that? What about that?
Is that on the
Double double. This one is, Benjamin got his on the wacky rig. I got
Oh,
mine
you did too.
on the Whopper Plopper Special Edition Dewey Cash
Oh my goodness.
from Fishing with Boogie. 5 o'clock.
Another-
Let's see, what time is it?
5:30.
5:30. Awesome. There's mine.
Okay.
Throw that one back.
Here, look at them together.
Compare them. Yours is bigger. Mine hit top water. Benjamin, he got hit 3-4 times over there in that sink. It couldn't be because that other one was a big fish. Awesome. Let him go. And there he goes. Awesome.
That one went
That's a
well.
good double right there, dude.
Oh, got him.
Come on, dude.
Yellow
A yellow
perch.
perch.
Itty bitty yellow.
Is there any fish right here?
That's a pretty yellow perch.
Yep.
And off he goes. You want a big chip? Like
God. Y'all ain't gonna believe this.
what? Oh my goodness, that's a nice bluegill.
On the Whopper Plopper. Are y'all seeing this?
Next up, yellow perch.
That was crazy. In 30-mile-an-hour winds, Caught a bluegill on a whopper plopper. Alright guys, we finished up here at Lake Meade. Benjamin finally figured out to use the wacky worm. The wind picked up, it got crazy. Caught some fish on the razorback, nice fish. And caught a couple of fish on that special edition whopper plopper on top water in all that wind. I can't believe it. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment on the bottom. We'll talk to you later.
Peace.
Peace.